Hello everybody. Today we have in our workshop a Galaxy A70 with network and Wi-Fi problems. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is not activated and the network doesn't work either. The customer let us know that the phone has suffered a blow, and from that moment he has lost the Wi-Fi and the network connection. We take a look at the service manual, and as you can see, the integrated circuit responsible for the Wi-Fi and the network is the U2009. Let's analyze it with the microscope. We can find it in the upper right. In the middle of the circuit, there is a crack that can be the cause of this fault. Here we have 5 integrated circuits. You can find it on AliExpress easily. We heat the area a little bit and apply flux. With the help of the flux, we eliminate the air below the IC, and in this way we'll remove it before. To remove it, I use a GBC air station at 380 Celsius degrees and 50% air. We apply tin in paste and a little flux to mix the whole tin. With the help of the soldering mesh, we clean the area of the integrated circuits. We apply isopropyl alcohol, and with a cloth we clean the flux. The area has been kept very clean. These two balls have been joined. For this reason we apply UV mask, and with the help of an ultraviolet flashlight we heal the area. Now we have everything ready for the assembly process. The next step is to apply some flux to improve the microsoldering. There are several techniques for soldering these integrated circuits. To fix it, I use 380 Celsius degrees and 20% air for a couple of seconds. Once fixed, we increase the airflow to 50% and leave the same temperature, 380 Celsius degrees. We can even apply a little flux to it. At this point, the integrated circuit sits by itself and finds the correct position. This is the moment when the tin melts and the integrated circuit is soldered correctly. We go back with the assembly process and check the device. Here we have the Wi-Fi running and the network on the top as well. That was today's video. Thank you very much and see you soon. Greetings.